Hope you all are doing great because this update is something great and special related to Lumel. I have posted it previously only on GSP-guides. If you are not connected on this LinkedIn page, you can check and follow it because I am regularly posting it, the great opportunities and updates over here. So link to apply would be also given in the comment box. You can apply from there itself. So Lumel is the name of the company which is hiring for software developer intern. They have recently announced that they are looking for some of the great students to hire. So if you are a fresher and you are expecting to graduate in 2025, so you can apply for this role because they are mainly seeking some of the great students to hire. So the location would be Chennai. You can check all the details because I would be pasting the link in the comment box itself. If you face any queries or difficulties, let me know. Apart from that, you can directly visit the recruitment page of Lumel where they have clearly mentioned all the details, key responsibilities, and all the description of the job, what they are looking and hiring for. So you can see salary is expected to be huge. You can read all the details and take a note that location is Chennai and position would be software developer intern. You can see as soon as you visit this page of recruitment process at Lumel, you can see fresher recruitment program 2025. So the product developer is the name of the title is who can apply basically 2025 computer science graduates who are willing to pursue their career in product development. They can apply for this role. So you can see at the top that 0 years, like freshers can apply for this role clearly that they have mentioned, and the location is Chennai, and this is a full-time role, not an internship or a part-time role. This is a full-time. So they are looking for product developer, and the technology is react.js. So they are mainly seeking some of the great students. So welcome to their fresher recruitment program 2025 react.js. You can apply from there itself. At the right hand side of the screen, you can see apply for this job, where you have to fill all your details and submit your resume. Make a note that you can prepare a well maintained resume as per the job description so that your profile may get shortlisted. So who can apply? 2025 computer science graduates willing to pursue a career in product development, and those who have strong in coding proficiency and want to pursue a career in product developer. As a product developer, they can apply for this role. So if you are a tech enthusiast and looking for some of the great opportunity like this, you can apply as soon as possible. uh, you can see as soon as you scroll down, you can read more details and the things and the stuff that they have mentioned. As a product developer at Lumel, you would be creating a matrix grid visualization using HTML canvas with a React application, and you should be able to build products using UI frameworks. Core skill set would be React JS. This is a mandatory thing. Take a note and look. Knowledge of other frameworks like Weave and visualization libraries is a plus. Means they would be added as a great advantage if you have some of the great knowledge related to these technologies and frameworks. So what is the requirement? You can see as soon as you scroll down. Basic understanding of Redux and REST APIs concept, good knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, familiar with React.js fundamentals. The next point that they have mentioned is you should be comfortable using GitHub and IDEs like WebStorm and VS Code. Then you should be eager to learn test case execution, debugging and troubleshooting. Interest in UX principles and applying design concept in React projects. Then you should have React projects using grid matrix. These are some of the points that they have mentioned as a requirement. So mention these technologies and skills in your resume as well, so that it would be a great advantage for you to shortlist, and the chances would be great if you mention these technologies. So how to apply? You should just have to fill in the application form, then you have to attach your resume and answer the question what they have listed and asked for. Then as they would like to get to know you better from the responses that you would be submitting them, so they mainly encourage you to be truthful and based on your personality. Whatever internships you have done in your undergraduate studies, or if you have some of the great internship experience, mention those, and whatever skills you know really, mention those only, because they would be assessing you after these and shortlisting you, and the interview process goes on. So what happens after I submit my application? You can check all the points. Their team would go through the application and will get in touch with the shortlisted applicants. They will you have to basically participate in general aptitude test. This is the first round, and the second round would be coding assessment with administrator to the candidates who clear the aptitude test. So before moving to the coding round, which is second part, you have to clear an aptitude test which is going to be held after you get shortlisted, which would be the first round. In this process, you would be mainly assessed how well you would be fit into their culture, and for the right attitude is more important. So we can see all the details. Only shortlisted candidate, this is a great point that they have mentioned. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for the recruitment process, like further process, whatever rounds they may be conducted in future. So these are some of the highlights. Like, if you want to start your career in product development, learn with getting paid, learn while getting paid, and be a part of enterprising and rewarding culture with a highly accomplished peer group. So this is some of the points that they have mentioned at Lumel Technology. You can see, if you are really interested and want to apply for this opportunity, you can apply. I would be pasting this link in the comment box. Check from there itself. And all the best, and apply for Lumel Pressure Recruitment Program 2025 as a product developer React.js. Location is Chennai, and this would be a full-time role, and 0 years, like only freshers are eligible to apply for this role. And all the best, and submit all your details.